What's up, guys? I'm back with another video. In today's video, guys, we're playing Subway Surfers. Here we go. I'm gonna do kind of a long video today. Because, guys, it's the weekend. I'll be making videos all weekend long. Probably, okay, guys? So y'all can look out for videos on my channel. Subscribe. Oh, guys, let's play again. About 5 minutes to go. Oh, guys, I got a mystery box. So let's see what it is. 3, 2, 1, guys. Look. Oh, I got coins, guys. Let's go. I'll be making videos all day long and not just game videos. I'll be making videos of myself too. So don't worry, guys. Y'all be able to see my face again. What? Hold on, guys. I don't want to play. I don't want to play. I'm making a gaming video real quick, alright? And then I'll be out, okay? Sorry, guys, my friend Giovanni, he was at the door. And I told him I'll play after this video. I'll make videos later, okay, guys? Or I can make a video with him. Probably not. But, guys, yes! Or should I do like an hour video and then play all kinds of games? Comment down below if you want me to do that. Guys, I just hit the jackpot of coins. Guys, after this game right now, we'll be playing, we're going to play Amoungus. Alright, guys, let's play Amoungus. Let's do this one, guys. I'm going to change my color right quick. I'm going to do blue, guys. Oh my... Oh, guys. I'm I'm a crewmate, guys. Hey guys, I'll be right back on. Alright guys, I had to go use the bathroom. Wait, someone already died? Hold on. Oh my. Messed up. Oh my gosh. Guys, I think it's Mr. Neon. They voted me. It is Mr. Neon. It's Mr. Neon. They voted me, bro. It's Mr. Neon. Alright guys, I was not the imposter. No one was ejected? One imposter. Guys, it's Mr. Neon. Is Mr. Neon still in? That's the map. Hold on, I'm gonna do some tasks real quick. In a little bit, guys, we'll be playing Go Battle because I'm gonna make a long video. Well, not long because I need to play with my friend. I'm gonna play with my friend. So, like, only. Alright, hold on, guys. Is that it? Did I do it? Let's go, guys. I did that one. I just got home from school, guys, and I just got on. Let's go another test. Right, yo. Task complete. Let's go, guys. Skittery. There's two guys right there. Hold on, guys. I feel like it's red. Guys, it's red, I think. Hold on. Let's look at red. Oh, where's red at? Alright, guys. I'm gonna go look for red. And if he... There's red right there. It's red, guys. Guys, it's red. It's red. I'm voting red next round, guys. What are you looking at? You're the imposter. Come on, guys. Sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. I don't want to do it too long because I don't want my friend to wait. Probably like 11 minutes. Okay, guys. Hold on, guys. Okay, I'll play through in a minute. making a YouTube video on my subs. And subs, y'all can join my game. I'm gonna make a code next round, and y'all could join my game, Amoungus. It's free. Go download it, Amoungus. Reactor? What is this? I don't play it much. I'm voting red next round, guys. I probably told you that a million times. Hi, Mr. Neo. I'm not voting you next round. Dead body report, right? Where's red? Did red die? Red? Mr. Neon. On. No, it's not Mr. Neon. He was with me. It's Doggy. On. It is. It is Doggy. Doggy, don't talk. It's you. If Doggy was not the imposter, he'll be talking. It's Doggy, guys. Alright, guys, that's it for today's video. But I'll see y'all next time. So, bye, guys.